Welcome back. Thank you for joining me for our 15-minute yoga booty workout. So we're going to be going through some yoga moves with a focus the entire time on our glute muscles. They're so important to strengthen. We use them every day, but oftentimes they don't fire how they're supposed to as much because we sit all the time. So we are going to fire them up today, and then as we go through our life, we're going to be able to fire them up properly as well. All right, if you're ready, grab your mat and come and join me. Okay, we're going to start standing at the front of our mat. Come and join me in mountain pose here. And just begin by standing tall. Feel your feet, spread your toes apart. Just kind of shift around so that we're starting to get connected. Our body to our feet, to our mat. Let your palms face the front and just start with a big roll with those shoulders. And now breathe in as we roll and breathe out. Do that again, just moving the shoulders this time. Good. Now let's move the arms. Breathe in, breathe out. Do it again, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breath in and out. Good, interlace your fingers and just open here for a moment. If it feels good to straighten your arms, do that. Maybe you can tilt your head up and open. All right, let's begin to move. Breathe in, the arms reach out and up. And as you breathe out, just dive forward and hang out for a moment in a forward fold. And just bend one knee, straighten the other, and just kind of as if you're walking this out here. And so as we're leaning into our little walker. Good. All right, even that out. Let's find a flat back, and we're gonna stay here for a moment. Let your shoulders roll down and back. You want to have your back like a tabletop. So maybe that means your hands are under your knees. Maybe they're somewhere on your shins. Maybe they're reaching forward. This is my favorite spot. Just feels good. A little bend in the knees, neutral spine. And then release your hands down. Let's go ahead and step back and hold your plank a moment. Nice and strong plank. Hands under the shoulders. We're on our toes, or you can always be on your knees if that feels better. Lean forward a little and lower down onto your stomach. All the way down, relax the feet. Let's just come up to cobra. Roll the shoulders back. Good. So we're going to be doing booty yoga today. Why don't we lift our legs up for a moment here as well. We're going to focus on firing up these muscles through standing movements, through laying movements, a lot of good stuff coming your way. Release your chest, release your feet, curl the toes under, press yourself up, and make your way to downward facing dog. Now walk that dog out. Just bend one knee, straighten out the other leg. Good. All right, from here, I want you to shift forward into a plank. Lift one foot up. Little pulses right here. So think about squeezing your butt in this movement here. We got 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot down, back to down dog. We're gonna do that with our back leg. Go to your plank. Lift 5, not 5, we got way more than 5. 5 was my last count. Keep going up, up, up. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, back to your down dog. All right, from here, bend your knees, walk your feet on up. We're gonna come to a flat back. Inhale here, and exhale, release. Reverse swan dive, breathe that in, and breathe it out, swan dive down. Inhale to flat back. Bring your hands down, step your legs back, and lower chaturanga. Good, belly down, cobra. Using the chest and the shoulders, the back muscles to roll back. Hands are not pressing. Lift your legs. Good. Can we do little pulses up, up? Good. Squeeze your butt in this. Now if it doesn't feel good to be up, you can always do this. Stay down and really take that work to the glutes. We're going 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release, curl the toes under, press it up, down dog. We've got plank. Lift and lower, lift and lower. Keep that going. So every time you lift, can you squeeze your butt? Stay with it, up, up. 5, 4, we've got 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Down dog. Good. Take your right leg up and then bring that foot in between the hands. Rise on up. Find your crescent pose here. Now bring the hands to your heart. We're going to tap our back foot in, and then we're going to bring that back foot back again. So it's a tap and back. Tap and back. Now I want you to think about your front foot and keeping the weight in your heels. And when you keep the weight in that front heel, we're going to fire up that front glute. Do you feel it? I hope the answer is yes. Keep going. Bring it up and back. Up and back. 5 and 4. Good work. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it to chair. Hold it here, nice and even. All right, so we were taking that work to our right leg. We're gonna switch and take the work to our left leg with a different move. Dive that forward and take your right leg in the air. So we're gonna bend our standing leg, tap your toe by your heel, and then lift up. Do that again. So it's a single leg squat and a rise. We're gonna breathe out and breathe in. Breathe it out and breathe it in. And remember, weight out of your toes on that standing foot. We always want to keep it back so that we're working those glute muscles and those crec muscles, keeping everything in alignment. You can choose how low you want to go, as long as we're keeping that front knee, not pushing forward. Yes, yes. We've got 3 more. Down and up. Keep going, down and up. 1 more time. Down and up. Bring that foot in and slowly roll yourself all the way up. Roll your shoulders back. Breath in. Swan dive down. Inhale to flat back. And then exhale, hands down. Step that back. Lower chaturanga. Good. Up, dog. And then come to a downward facing dog. Now find your plank. Back leg lifts first. Lift and down. Lift and down. Good. That little lift, all about the glutes. Can you keep your legs straight as you're doing this? Abs are in and braced. Stay with it. 5. You've got it. 4. Keep breathing. 3. Yes, yes. 2. 1 more each. And then downward facing dog. Hold that there. Take your left leg, the back leg up, and then bring your foot in between your hands. Lift up to crescent pose. Open your hip, sink it down. Same as we did on the other side. Hands at your heart. We're gonna step our back foot up, and then we're gonna step that back. Here we go. Tap it in and back. When we go back, we're not leaning forward, we're coming back to that crescent pose. Big step. Yes, yes. And back. Bring it up. Are you keeping that weight in the back half of that front foot? I hope the answer is yes. Up and back. Up and back. Almost there. Let's go for 3 more. 3 and back. 2 and 1. Find your chair. Sit your hips down and back. Even out the weight in both feet. All right. Stand up and dive forward. That back leg is going to lift up in the air, and then single leg squat. Tap that in. Breathe in and out. Breathe it in. Imagine there's a chair back here, and you're trying to sit your butt on it. Maybe not that low, but taking your butt in that direction. And you can always, as an option, not put that foot as close forward. I find it actually actually helps if I bring that foot up next to the other to really sit my hips down and back. Keep this going. If you got blocks, you can have your hands on blocks if that's helpful. But we're just gonna do 3 more. Here we go. 3, and up. 2, and up. 1 more, and up. Good, bring your leg in. Little bend in those knees, and slowly roll yourself up. And roll the shoulders. Find a breath in, reach it out and up. Swan dive down. Inhale, flat back. And exhale, hands down. Jump or step back. We're gonna lower onto our stomach. And this time keep your head down. Lift it up and down. Up and down. Good, so we're having our hands for support on the forehead so that we have something comfortable to rest our head on. And we're just going up and down. Now, in 2 more, I want you to hold this next one up, so hold it. Good, we're gonna bring them in and out. In and out. If you are not on a very cushioned surface, you might feel your hips on hardwood, so you can always double your yoga mat, or just do this on carpet as well. Bring it out and in. Squeeze your butt. 4 and 3. We've got 2 and 1. Good job. All right, from here, press that back. Child's pose for a moment. And then we're gonna come and lay on our back. All right, I said that we had some laying exercises as well. And I'm super excited about this first one we're gonna start with. Okay, so we're gonna have our front leg straight and our back knee bent in. I want you to shift so that your hips are comfortably down and that you're feeling that contact of your low back on the mat. If you notice that it starts to lift up, then shorten that range or make that range a little bigger so you get your foot out further. And I want you to keep your knee bent in this first exercise instead of straight. I'll show that option in a second. All right, arms are resting. We're gonna lift up and then take your leg up and down. Lift and your leg up and down. Now, super important, if you're keeping that leg straight as you lower down, keep your back on the mat. Remember, here's your option. You can always bend that knee, and that'll take some intensity out. So we're just bringing a little bit of core in here, because why not? Your core is so important to keep strong. Keep going up and down, in and down, up and down, in. You've got it. 4 more times. Can you keep your hips parallel when you lift up? Yeah, we can. 2 more times. Up. Again. Last one. Rise it. Good. We're going to do this on the other side. So bend that front knee. Straighten your leg down. Connect to your back. Connect to your body. Arms are down. First, bridge and up. And you might find one side feels easier and stronger. I started with my strong side with you guys. Second side feels a little more awkward, but that's okay. That just means that I need to continue building strength on that side. Everybody's body has its own imbalances as we go through life. And when we have an imbalance, that doesn't mean that we just feed into it and allow it to happen. That just means we continue to strengthen that imbalance and work our body evenly, and it's just taking care of it in that way. Keep going. Let's do this 3 more times. Up and down. Really push through your heel. Here we go. Up, down. Last time. Nice. All right. Bring the bottoms of your feet together. Feet are in nice and close. Knees are out. We're going to press and down. So these are some frog bridge presses, like a bridge pose, but we've just got a little variation with our feet in and our knees out. If you had a band at home, you could wrap this around so you've got some extra resistance as well. Keep this going. We are almost there. Hold the next one up. Can you bring your knees in and out? In. Imagine that you've got that resistance band. You're almost there. You've got 5. This is your last exercise. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Bring your knees in. Ooh, how do you feel? Oh, grab your big toes. Wrap your your first 2 fingers around the toes. Find a happy baby. It'll feel so good to open up. Stretch out your inner thighs as well. Good work. All right, release that. 1 foot down. And let's just hug the other knee in. Cross that over top and find a figure 4 stretch here. Good, stretching out the glutes that we just worked so much. That was fun. I hope that you guys had a lot of fun with that as well. Release and do that on the other side. Bring it in and hold. You can close your eyes as we're laying. Sometimes that feels so nice at the end of a workout to just close your eyes, take in all the good work that we just did. Caring for ourselves, moving our bodies. It is all self-care. Taking this 15 minutes makes such a difference in your day. All right, bring your knees in, and I want you to just rock yourself back up. Straighten those legs, and we're gonna finish with 1 more stretch, sitting tall and diving forward for a big hamstring stretch here. Folding forward. If it feels good to have a bend in your knees, feel free to do that wherever you're at. All right, walk your hands back. Come and sit comfortably. Oh, let's finish with a big breath in. Reach your arms out and up. And exhale the hands to your heart. Let's bow forward. Namaste, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me for our yoga booty workout. I hope that your booty feels stronger. Functional work for us. Building strength in our glute muscles. So important. Leave a thumbs up on the video. Let me know in the comments down below how you feel, how much you enjoyed the workout, and make sure to subscribe. I cannot wait to see you here again for another workout. Bye.